You may have found out the hard way that YouTube's new algorithm loves to demonetize videos. But is it possible to re-monetize a video? That's coming up next. Thanks for joining me today. I'm digital artist Aaron Rutten, and I have a YouTube channel that specializes in teaching digital artists how to get better at digital art and how to enjoy digital painting. And I've actually been pretty lucky. Most of my videos have not been demonetized. There have been a few here and there, but I've been able to get them re-monetized. And to be fair, the ones that were demonetized had swearing and other kinds of sensitive things in them, so that's understandable. The reason why YouTube demonetizes videos is to protect advertisers from YouTubers who are going to exploit the AdSense system. Advertisers don't want their ads shown on videos that are inappropriate or that don't align with their brand. But occasionally, videos are automatically demonetized for no good reason at all. They're perfectly fine videos. There's no swearing. There's nothing in the video that an advertiser would find unsuitable. For example, here's one of my videos that recently got demonetized. I actually just put this up last night, and it's a fairly long video. It's about 50 minutes or so long, and it was up overnight, and in the morning it was demonetized. Now, I have no idea why. I know that I can file an appeal, which is very easy to do. There's a little link you can click here. I've already requested a review, but the problem is you have to have at least 1,000 views in the past 7 days. Now, that's not very difficult for me to do on my channel for a shorter video, but for a video that's this specific and is 50 minutes long, I might not be able to get 1,000 views. I might only be able to get 800 or 900 in 7 days. So I might not be able to monetize this video. This is a long video that I put up because I had planned to monetize it, and now I'm disappointed that I won't be able to do that. However, I'm not going to throw in the towel. I'm going to show you how you can re-monetize a video regardless of if YouTube is going to review it or not. What I did is I said, all right, fine, go ahead and demonetize my video. I will put it on Gumroad as a paid product. And so I've listed it here. It's $5 if you want to download it. And you might ask, well, why would somebody download a paid version when there's the free version that they can watch? I've also included some premium files that aren't included in the free YouTube version. So what I did is I looked at the video and I went, what is it in that video that I can't deliver through YouTube that I could deliver through Gumroad? And that was the artwork that I used in the video and a color guide that I referenced in the video, which I actually have available as a PDF that you can download. So I packaged all that stuff together into a product. And so now if somebody wants to pay $4.99 rather than getting the free version, they'll get these additional resource files and they'll get this bonus color guide that'll show them how to pick color using Corel Painter. So in doing that, I've basically re-monetized my video. My video now on YouTube can have a link in it that can drive people to the paid version and say, hey, here's the additional content that you can get by paying for this course. So if you wanted to purchase this lesson, this is what it would look like. I have a description of what the lesson's about. I have bullet points of what you'll learn. I have descriptions of exactly what you're going to get if you purchase this. And it makes very clear what the difference is between the free YouTube version and the paid version. Now, if Gumroad's not your thing and you don't want to have to create a product and sell it, you could also consider using Patreon as a way to re-monetize your video. You could have a video that maybe has behind-the-scenes content, or it's an extended cut, or it's a special version of the video, and you can make that available to your patrons, whereas the free YouTube version isn't quite as cool. So there you go, those are a couple of different ways to re-monetize a demonetized video on YouTube. If you found this information helpful, take a quick second to like this video. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. I release new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.